The GH5 has a mode called post-focus focus stacking. What this does is allows you to take a picture and then focus it afterwards. Now to get to this, I turn this mode on the top left, the mode knob up here, to the post-focus mode. Now the camera has to be in autofocus for this to work. Now when I press the shutter button, where the squares appear, it's going to take an image at every focus point in the picture. Now it's processing it where I can now choose my focus point. Now that it's done, I can choose whatever I want to be in focus. If I want this front orange, the back, or back lemon, the orange. Now if I want to save this frame, I touch this button down here in the corner and I save that as an image. So that saves a separate JPEG on the SD card. Now if I want the lemons to be in focus, I can do the same thing. I can touch the button and save that, and it saves another JPEG on the card. Now there's another feature here too, where I can stack all of these pictures to get one that is completely in focus. If I press the FN1 button up here, I have two choices. I have auto merging and range merging. Auto merging is going to stack every frame and find the sharpest point in it. So I'm going to choose auto merging. I'm going to say, yes, when I do this, what it's going to do is find the sharpest point of every frame and build a picture that is completely in focus. Now you can see we have an image where everything is in focus.